Hi guys. Today, I'm going to show you how I change a set of filter for my Cuckoo iris water filter and dispenser. I bought a set consists of 4 filters from Shopee. You may look for the link in the description. Let us unpack the filters. There are 4 filters and the sequence number is labeled to make our life easier. A set of elbows and hose also provided. Turn off the dispenser's power and pipe tap. Now let us open the dispenser's filter cover. Open the 2 Phillip-headed screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Open the cover and now we can access the filters. Uninstall the old filters accordingly. This is how dirty the old first or sediment filter looks like. Now let us install the new filters. I'm reusing the old elbows and hose because it works well. No leakage to date, so I prefer to stick to something that is proven working fine until it fails. Now that we complete the installation of the new filters, we need to let the water run through all the new filters. Install the outlet hose to the last filter and open the tap. Let it run for about 10 minutes. This is to remove any impurities from the new filters. While doing this, we can take the chance to inspect the hose and elbow connection for any leakage. See guys, this is how clean the water is now. There is no sign of leakage or water dripping from the hose or elbows, meaning that our filter replacement is a success. Now we may remove the testing hose and install the hose accordingly. Install the cover and secure the screws. Let's turn on the power and open the water tap. Set up the clock. Luckily it is 12 p.m. sharp, so less button to press. Now we are done. Thank you for watching guys. Hope this video may find a way to help you, or at least entertain you.